Hello and welcome back to Giifti Hair channel. If you're new here, I'm so pleased to have you join us. In our previous video, we explored the microlinks install method, featuring our premium weft extensions. Today, we're taking a closer look at another signature service that we offer, the timeless traditional sew-in. Let's dive into how you can achieve a flawless, sophisticated look with Giifti Hair. Every exceptional look begins with a solid foundation, and that starts with the right braiding technique. For this sew-in, we begin by creating the cornrow braid, a method that ensures both stability and smoothness, seamless base for the extension. At Giifti Hair, we believe in the importance of proper hair preparation, from cleansing to conditioning. This ensures the natural hair is well cared for and ready to support the install. So I provide shampoo, condition, blowout, full prep prior to the braid down and foundation of a sew-in. By cleansing and nourishing the natural hair, we guarantee that your sew-in will not only look luxurious, but it will also last. With proper maintenance every 6 to 8 weeks, your install can last you up to 2 months. Now we begin the installation of the weft. Using premium lightweight thread, we sew each weft onto the braid with care. The thread we use minimizes friction, ensuring your natural hair remains undamaged while the extensions blend effortlessly. This technique is ideal for who desire a sophisticated, long-lasting style. What truly sets Giifti Hair appointment apart is the quality of the extensions itself. Each weft is crafted from the finest hair, designed to blend seamlessly with your hair. The result? A flawless, beautiful, elegant look. Once the install is in place, we focus on styling. For this look, I'm using the flat iron to achieve a perfect, sleek, and polished look. The straight look is ideal for a professional setting or evening outing, offering both a beautiful look that can also be worn in many practical settings. With Giifti Hair, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're looking for a sleek and straight look or prefer a soft wave, our extensions provide you the versatility that you need for any occasion. The best part, the quality of the hair blends and looks so natural to your own hair. At Giifti, we believe in the art of hair. Every step of the process, from the careful installation to the finished styling, is done with precision and artistry. We take our time to ensure each client leaves with a hairstyle that is not only stunning, but feels like an entire experience. Booking your appointment with Giifti is very simple. With our online booking system, you can choose your preferred install method and pair it with one of our premium hair packages. Rather you opt for a traditional sew-in or another method, you can expect nothing less than a exceptional service. For those of you who appreciate refined beauty, the traditional sew-in using Giifti Hair is the perfect way to enhance your natural beauty. Being that a sew-in is both versatile and durable, this method ensures your style stays flawless for weeks, allowing you to focus on what really matters, your career, your life, and your personal style. Ready for your transformation? Book your appointment with us today through our simple online booking system. Experience the luxury of Giifti Hair and let us help you achieve that style that reflects your sophisticated, polished lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insider tips on maintaining your beautiful, refined look. Until next time, I'm Giifti, the gift to your hair.